January 29th, 2021 review. Directions. We're going to plot the following integers on the number line. All right, so this first one, negative 25. We are going to plot that on our number line. So remember, here's our 0. Negative 25 means we're going to go in the negative direction. So we're going to go down to negative 25. First of all, I know that negative 25 is going to be in between negative 20 and negative 30. Oop, there we go. So I'll have negative 25 here. So that negative 25 is going to go right here on this line. All right, 0 is going, oh, you can't really see that one. There we go. 0 is going to be right here at this middle. All right, and then we're going to have 15. So if we have 10 here, then it's going to go up by 5s because between 0 and 10 is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then in our opposite direction, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20, negative 25, negative 30, negative 35, and so on. All right, positive 15, that's what we just did. It's going to be up here. Negative 20, we're going to go, why did I put negative 25 or negative 20 where negative 25 is? My bad. I'm actually going to cut that one, move it there. That is negative 25. That was my fault. This one is negative 20. So this is negative 20, that green one. And then negative 5 is going to be that blue one. So there's that negative 5. Now we're going to place them in order. So we're going to place the numbers in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest. So least is going to be, the smallest number is going to be down here. And then as you get higher and higher and higher, that'll be the greatest up top. So I'm going to kind of work with looking at our numbers. So first one, the least number here we have is going to be negative 25. That's the smallest. Then negative 20. Then negative 5. Then 0. And then 15. So that's going to be it for our ordering them. We are going to practice more with ordering them next week. Don't stress too much. We can use that number line like we did. That's going to be it for our review. Great job.